Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we're going to make some placemats for my kitchen. I don't have a real dining room table, but I have this centerpiece thing that I use as a table. So it's got two chairs at it, and then the other side is like there's storage underneath. It's like a cabinet from IKEA of some sort, but it's got a chair side and then the cabinet side. So anyway, so we're making two placemats for that. I must warn you, this today is not a family video. You probably don't want your children to watch it because there are some bad words in it. And I'm a funny person. I'm a sarcastic person. When you come to my house, you don't know what to expect here. And this is one of the things that you wouldn't know to expect when you come to my house. And I'm going to put it on a placemat. So that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. I apologize. I don't mean to offend anyone. This is my sense of humor. This is my sarcasm. So this is me. So just putting that warning out there. But I go ahead and I sure hope that you would go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up and like the video and leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. Whenever you subscribe, you should leave or hit the bell so that when you'll know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. So here's what you'll need, and a list will be in the description box. And I'm going to start off on my silhouette to create the words that I'm going to put on the placemats. I don't know why I always try to show you this, because you could never see what I'm doing. It just looks like a blank screen to you. But there are some letters and words on this seemingly very blank screen. Now you can see a heart though, you see that? But now it's going small. So whenever you're doing the heat transfer or iron on, remember to always mirror your image so that you set it up properly and the words look proper. And then I ended up using the metallic heat transfer setting in my silhouette. And then that cut it out so that the plastic, it comes with basically its own transfer sheet. And so that, we don't want to cut that. So it made it so that it didn't cut through that transfer tape. Or it's not transfer tape though, it's like a sheet of hard plastic that helps you to place the item on your, whatever item you're going to put your words on. So that's what we're doing here. We're just using that silhouette and we're just cutting away. And I do love the silhouette. It is a delightful machine for me. And I believe it is very easy to use. And the software to me is very easy to use. I know that some people's complaint is the software is too difficult. So once we've got that all done, then we are going to weed out the words. Sorry about that. I just got a text. And the heat transfer is this is not actually heat transfer. This is iron-on. The iron-on is very easy to weed because the plastic, it's like plastic. It like doesn't tear. It's so easy to weed. It's very easy. And so literally I'm just pulling the heat transfer away, or the iron-on away. It's not sticky at all, so it doesn't stick to you and create all kinds of problems. That's probably the easiest part. And then we're just going to finish off weeding. There are a few words or a few letters, obviously, that have the little circles and such inside the letters. So we got to get those corrected. And again, with the iron-on, it does not stick. It is not sticky. So you do have to actually pull it apart, kind of. All right, so now we're all set. So in my mind, I was thinking, okay, here's my placemat. It's a faux leather placemat from Target. The placemat cost me $6. So my project cost me $12 for both. So anyway, so in my mind, I thought, oh, okay, well, I'm just going to stick this on and then I'm going to iron it on. And then I remembered that the directions on this iron-on did say you needed to warm up the material before putting on the iron-on. So now I'm going back and that's what I'm doing. I'm using a piece of parchment paper first, and then I'm just using a thin kitchen towel. The directions told you to use a kitchen towel. I don't know if they told you to use parchment paper, but that's what I've seen everyone and their mother use, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I heated up my placemat, and then we're gonna go ahead and re-stick down those words and put the parchment paper down. Sorry about the auto focusing. And then once we've got all that back down, then we're gonna go ahead and iron it on. And so I think it was probably, I don't know, 30 seconds or so of ironing. I don't honestly remember. Now, if you had the Cricut Easy Press, this would probably go quicker or easier or what have you, but I don't, so I'm just using my regular iron. And just checking, and it looks like it all went down nicely, so we take off that transfer paper that comes on the iron-on, and then we'll put that parchment paper and cloth back down, and then just one last iron just to make sure it's on there really well, no problems. I don't want this peeling up. And then I've watched other people do this, and they always turn it over and do it on the back side as well. So that's also what I'm going to do. So just turning it over, and I'm going to iron it one more time just to make sure it's very secure. And then we should be good. And that's it. And that's my placemat. Again, I don't mean to offend anyone. I hope I don't offend anyone. But I thought they were adorable. And this is just my personality. Just kind of stupid, silly. That's just me. I can't help it. I apologize. Actually, I don't apologize at all. Honestly, I don't apologize. This is me. This is how I am. So I hope you enjoy. And my little te amo tequila. And the tequila is checked off. So that's awesome. I really enjoy these, and these are going to stay out on my table for quite a while. I'll probably make some more in some different colors and different styles and such, but I absolutely love them. And thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope that you would go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and then make sure to subscribe. And whenever you subscribe, you always should push that bell so that you know when the next video comes out. Again, I thank you so much. I sure hope I didn't offend anyone, but this is my style, and this is what I love, and this is what I think is funny. So thanks again for stopping by. Y'all have a great one.